This is Wes, affectionately known as the Grillin Villian from Summerset Grills, and it's Food Friday. Today we're grilling up a marinated skirt steak chimichurri salad. Okay, we're gonna make our marinade for our skirt steak, and we're gonna start off with a little olive oil. I'm gonna put some soy sauce in here. I'm gonna put some Worcestershire. David Attenborough couldn't say that properly. We've got some apple cider vinegar with the mother. We're gonna put in some orange, fresh orange. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze this ourselves right here. Gonna go ahead and squeeze them here, nothing like fresh squeezed orange. There we go. Okay, that should be about a half cup of orange, fresh orange. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our dispenser here. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a lime. Just gonna put this over in our sauce here, like such. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our orange, fresh orange in there. Now we're gonna do a couple of garlic. How's that? There's our minced garlic. Then we're gonna whisk all the ingredients and add just a little pepper, just a little salt. I'm gonna put my skirt steak in a large baggie. I'm gonna put this in there with this marinade. We're gonna sit it in the refrigerator for about 6-7 hours, and tomorrow we'll pull it out and we'll get ready to cook her up. I'm gonna grab my skirt steak here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this large baggie. Bring her over here. And I'm going to put my marinade in the bag. With the skirt steak, take any air out. Okay. And there we go. We're ready to marinate. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw our skirt steak marinated in our Summerset outdoor rated refrigerator, of course, next to the 36-inch American Muscle Grill, which we'll be grilling on today. We call this the PGA, Preferred Grilling Apparatus of Food Friday. Okay, we're gonna be cooking on our preferred grilling apparatus today, of course, the 36-inch AMG Muscle Grill. We're gonna go ahead and kick it on. Oh, there's that flame. Wait a minute. Reignited, and it feels so good. Okay, we're done marinating our skirt steak, and it's time to prepare our chimichurri sauce for the skirt steak. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an onion. I'm just gonna take a pretty good chunk of that onion. I'm gonna throw it in a blender. I'm gonna throw in some parsley. I'm gonna throw in some cilantro, some olive oil, some red vinegar. We're gonna throw a little lime in there, kind of give it a little taste to it. We're gonna throw that in there. Boom. Then we're gonna go ahead and we've got our garlic again. We're gonna go ahead and pound this out. Just a little bit. We're gonna just chop that up a little bit. We're gonna throw it in the blender. Boom, there we go. And give it just a little salt, a little pepper, and there's our chimichurri sauce. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in the blender, get it to a nice consistency. When I pull the meat off, we're gonna go ahead and put that on top and serve it. Okay, it looks like our coals are about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put the grates down on the American Muscle Grill. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna grab our marinated meat. We're gonna throw that on top of those coals right now. Okay, here we go with our skirt steak. Throw it on the fire. Our skirt steak on the open fire. Okay, we're gonna throw some salad tomatoes in here on our fire. We got some red ones, we got some yellow ones. Okay, I'm gonna half this lettuce and I'm gonna throw it on the grill for just a few seconds here, kind of get it charred a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna grab my meat. We're gonna set it over here on our cutting board, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and during that time, we're gonna go ahead and blend up our chimichurri topping. Okay, I'm gonna pull off my lettuce halves now. We're gonna put them face up over here. Kind of got them charred a little bit, nice and warm. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them, not all the way through, we're just gonna cut them in quarters, just kind of open them up a little bit, flare it out a little, and we're gonna set our meat right in there, right in the middle. Make it nice. Oh, smell that fresh lettuce, that nice char flavor on there. Just cut that open a little bit. Skirt steak here, we've let it sit for about 5 minutes. You can see the nice lettuce. We're gonna go ahead and cut that. Just gonna pull it right off the side here. That's a long one there. See if we can't get this cut a little tighter. Oh yeah, right in here. Okay. Chimichurri sauce, we're getting ready to blend up. Give it a couple of shots. There we go. Okay. Got our chimichurri sauce. We're gonna go ahead and pour this slowly over our marinated skirt steak with our baby yellow and red tomatoes and our bed of nice lettuce opened up to accept that meat. Look at that, folks. That is a meal right there. This is my favorite part of the day when I get to test the cooking for the day. Cut it out.